Hello friends, today's DIY is a greeting card for Republic Day. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Enriched by Neelu. Today I'm presenting a greeting card for the Republic Day. For this you require a rose flower. I'm making the rose flower from orange color craft paper. For this you require an orange color craft paper of around a diameter of 5 centimeter, and you have to make different pieces out of it and then cut them properly in this way. And every time you have to cut down one petal. Next you have to cut 2 petals, then 3 petals, and then 4, so on so forth, until you get only 2 petals remained, like this. Then you have to glue them to make it look like flower, like this. You have to repeat it with every petal that you have prepared. Make sure every petal is one less than the other. Then you have to curve the petal surface with the help of a sharp tool. You can use the knife or even you can use the scissors. As I'm using the scissors over here because it is the easiest tool that is available with me. So you have to curve every petal. Then you have to glue them in the decreasing order of the petal number. Then it will take the shape of a rose. It will almost look like a realistic rose, like this. You take a square white paper and fold it down in this order. And cut this shape. Then you have to trace down the shape of the flower onto a white chart paper, which are going to make the greeting card out of it. Cut it down, it will get the shape of flower. Now we are making the ribbons with the green paper. Make these curved lines on the ribbon. Make 2 ribbons. Then glue them below the flower. You can keep the greeting as it is, or otherwise you can give the border so that it will look much more beautiful. So I'm doing just a finishing touch to my greeting. Okay then, thank you friends for watching my channel and watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.